We're making bang bang chicken. Let's go. Alright, the first thing you gotta do is get a sheet pan, get you some chicken thighs, and I'm gonna cut the fat off with these scissors because there's a lot of fat on here I don't want today. Alright, now I cut all the fat off, right? And it was a lot, so you probably should trim your chicken thighs. It's a good idea. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Some of it will render, most of it won't. Garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, paprika. And y'all, if you can see your chicken, it's not seasoned enough, right? That's what a lot of people say. Let me tell you something. Sometimes it's too much. Calm down. I feel like I'm just chewing on seasoning. Now put a little bit of oil on your chicken. We don't want it to burn. Mix it up. So now I'm gonna put this on 375 for about 45 minutes. It's kind of hard to overheat these chickens. It's a chicken thigh. You can do this. All we've done is put chicken thighs and season them with some oil, and that's it. Y'all got this. All right, so now we're just gonna make our sauce. Now you can do this several different ways. So right now I'm just gonna use mayonnaise. This is a 5.75 fluid ounce bottle. I need about a half a cup, which is pretty much the whole bottle. So I'm just gonna use the whole bottle. Why not, you know? So I might need to do this first. All right, got about 1/2 cup or so of mayo. Now I'm just gonna put about a tablespoon and a half maybe of sriracha. And then I'm gonna do about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You want something in there. That seems about right. Then I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of soy sauce. Put a half a teaspoon of soy sauce in there, or that much, whatever. I'm gonna do lime juice, about a teaspoon of that also. A lot of people don't have sweet chili sauce in their home, but they do have the ingredients to make a sweet chili sauce. If you don't have lime juice like this, you can just use plain old vinegar. That's fine too. All right, see how that looks? That's it. That is it. I pulled the little chickens out. Now I'm just gonna put this sauce on the chickens. Just put it on. And you can like use a brush to put it on too. Yes, I changed shirts. Why? Because I got the sauce all over my last shirt. That's lovely. Now it's in the washer. Now we're just gonna actually put this back in the oven until the sauce kind of gets a little sticky. So 5 minutes, we'll be right back. Oh my God, this looks good. Bang bang chicken. And now to try. Cut.